this video, I will demonstrate an easy method to alter the font style within WhatsApp. Please ensure you watch the video in its entirety to avoid any potential errors. To begin, access your preferred web browser and navigate to. This website provides a platform to utilize various fonts. Subsequently, input your desired text. Once entered, the website will display the same text in an assortment of customized, aesthetically pleasing fonts. Scroll through the options until you find a font that suits your preference. For instance, if you prefer a particular font, double tap on it to select it. Subsequently, highlight the text, tap Add, and then copy. Navigate to your WhatsApp conversation and paste the copied text into the message field. Finally, tap Send. By following these steps, you can effortlessly modify the font style within WhatsApp.